The awe of water, nature's lifeline and solutions for a thirsty world. Hey everyone, welcome back to Around the Awe, where we explore the wonders of our planet and uncover ways to protect it. Today we're diving into one of the most essential elements of life, water. From the ecosystems that depend on it to the cutting-edge solutions helping water-scarce regions, let's explore the awe of water together. The lifeline of freshwater ecosystems. Water is the beating heart of our planet. Freshwater ecosystems don't just support life, they sustain it in ways we often take for granted. Lakes act as massive reservoirs, storing fresh water for drinking, agriculture, and industry. Rivers transport nutrients, sustain biodiversity, and provide essential resources for millions of people. Streams and ponds are microhabitats that help recharge underground water sources. Wetlands, often called nature's kidneys, filter pollutants, store carbon, and act as buffers against floods and droughts. But these life-giving systems are under threat. Protecting them isn't just an environmental issue, it's a survival issue. The growing challenge of water scarcity. Here's the hard truth. Water scarcity is worsening. Climate change, population growth, and overuse are putting immense pressure on our water resources. Today, over 2 billion people lack access to safe drinking water, and by 2050, demand for fresh water is expected to exceed supply by 40%. The good news? We have solutions. Let's explore some game-changing ways people are tackling this crisis. Innovative water conservation and harvesting methods. Rainwater harvesting, capturing and storing rainwater from rooftops for daily use. Check dams, small, cost-effective barriers that slow water runoff and recharge groundwater. Recharge pits, simple structures that direct rainwater into underground aquifers. Fog harvesting, mesh nets that capture moisture from fog, a method used in Chile's Atacama Desert. Traditional wisdom, ancient techniques like India's johads and Persia's qanats still work wonders today. These solutions aren't just innovative, they're life-changing, proving that human ingenuity can overcome even the harshest conditions. Real-world success stories. Now let's take a look at some inspiring success stories from around the world. Rajasthan, India. Reviving traditional water harvesting has transformed dry lands into fertile farms. Kenya. Sand dams now provide year-round water for entire villages, drastically improving health and livelihoods. Chile. Fog nets bring precious water to one of the driest places on Earth, the Atacama Desert. These projects prove that change is possible when communities come together with smart water management. What you can do to help? Water is life, and protecting it starts with us. Here's how you can make a difference. Conserve water. Fix leaks, take shorter showers, and use water-efficient appliances. Support local initiatives. Get involved in community cleanups or water conservation projects. Spread awareness. Share this video, educate others, and advocate for water-saving policies. Small actions add up. Together, we can ensure a future where water is accessible to all. Thanks for watching Around the Awe. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awe-inspiring content. Let's keep exploring and protecting our incredible planet. See you next time.